Manny Pacquiao is a legendary boxer and politician from the Philippines, widely regarded as one of the greatest boxers of all time. Over the course of his career, Pacquiao has amassed a huge fortune through his boxing purses, endorsements, and business ventures. In this blog post, we will explore Manny Pacquiao's net worth and investments in detail. Manny Pacquiao's net worth. Manny Pacquiao's net worth is estimated to be around $220 million, according to Celebrity Net Worth. His wealth comes from a variety of sources, including his boxing earnings, endorsements, and business ventures. Boxing earnings. Pacquiao has earned a staggering amount of money over the course of his boxing career, with Forbes reporting that he has earned over $1.3 billion in career earnings as of 2021. Pacquiao has been involved in some of the biggest boxing matches in history, including his fights against Floyd Mayweather Jr. and Oscar de la Hoya. Endorsements. Pacquiao is also a highly sought-after endorser, with a number of major brands eager to have him as their spokesperson. Over the years, he has endorsed a wide variety of products, including Nike, Nestlé, and San Miguel beer. In 2016, Pacquiao signed a deal with Under Armour, further adding to his already substantial endorsement income. Business ventures. In addition to his boxing and endorsement earnings, Pacquiao has also invested in a number of business ventures. One of his most successful ventures is his MP Promotions boxing promotion company, which has been responsible for some of the biggest fights in boxing in recent years. Pacquiao also has investments in real estate, including a hotel and resort in General Santos City, Philippines. Pacquiao has made a number of investments over the years, with varying degrees of success. One of his most notable investments is his stake in the Ginebra San Miguel basketball team, which has been a consistent performer in the Philippine Basketball Association. Pacquiao has also invested in cryptocurrency, with reports suggesting that he has invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Pacquiao is a strong advocate for the use of cryptocurrency in the Philippines, and has even launched his own cryptocurrency, the Paccoin. In addition to his investments in cryptocurrency, Pacquiao has also invested in a number of other businesses, including a clothing line, a chain of gyms, and a record label. Philanthropy. Pacquiao is also known for his philanthropic work, with a significant portion of his wealth going towards charitable causes. He has established the Manny Pacquiao Foundation, which focuses on education and poverty alleviation in the Philippines. Pacquiao has also donated large sums of money to victims of natural disasters, including the Typhoon Haiyan in 2013. Conclusion. Manny Pacquiao's net worth is a testament to his incredible talent and hard work over the course of his career. Through his boxing earnings, endorsements, and business ventures, Pacquiao has amassed a huge fortune that he has used to support charitable causes and invest in businesses that he believes in. As he continues to make headlines in the boxing world and beyond, it is clear that Manny Pacquiao's net worth and investments will only continue to grow in the years to come.